Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I just wanna ask you something very simple but very real. And the question is, how many times in your life have you allowed someone temporary, like a friend maybe, or a relationship maybe, to control the way you see your life, the way you live, and the way you make decisions? How many times in your life? It hurts, right? Because deep down, we all know that not everyone who enters our life is meant to stay. Yet we give them power to shape us, we let them define our worth. But let me tell you today that your permanent life, your permanent happiness cannot be controlled by people who were only passing through. Stay with me till the end because I want to share something very powerful, a truth that will free you from this trap. And yes, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe so we can walk this journey of self growth together every single week. Let's talk about this. Think about those so called friends who only call when they need you something. Or think about those people who make fun of your dreams, telling you it's impossible, you cannot do this. तुम किसके पीछे भाग रहे हो? Or think about that relationship that drained every ounce of energy from you but gave you nothing in return. These all are temporary people. They enter your life like chapters, but they are not the whole story. And you know what? The problem starts when we let them become the whole story. This is the main problem. Like, we start adjusting our goals to fit their comfort. We start changing our behaviors to keep them happy. और उसका रिजल्ट क्या निकलता है? We slowly forget who we truly are. But ask yourself that why should someone who won't even be in your life 5 years from now control the life you have to live forever? I know it's not easy. Like, we are emotional beings, ठीक है? We crave connections, we crave for validations, we crave for love, most importantly. But sometimes our biggest mistake is thinking that everyone deserves a seat at our table. No, not everyone deserves this. There are people who are lessons, not blessing. हम बहुत से ऐसे लोगों से मिलते हैं जो हमें एक लेसन दे के जाते हैं जिंदगी भर के लिए. They came to show you what you should never tolerate again. Even though they break your trust so you can learn to value loyalty. Or sometimes they leave you so you can learn to stand on our own feet. Yes, I know that it's painful, but pain also carries a message. And the message is that don't let the temporary people define your permanent. Let me share something with you guys that I once knew someone who allowed temporary people to decide everything, like their career choices, their self image, their even though their confidence. And when those people walked away, this person was left broken, questioning their worth, even though. But over time, they rebuilt themselves. They realized that I was never the problem. I was just giving the wrong people too much power. And that's what I want for you, to realize the ones who left, the ones who doubted you, the ones who betrayed you, they all are never permanent. They are only the pages in your book, on little bit pages. आप इसको ऐसे लें जैसे कि हमारी बुक के अंदर 2 मुश्किल चैप्टर्स आ जाएँ या 2 मुश्किल पेजेज़ आ जाएँ और उनको हमने गुज़ारना है। जैसे-तैसे करके हमने उनको गुज़ारना ही है। Take them as a pages, not your whole book. And don't let one bad page ruin the entire story. So what should you do? आप क्या कर सकते हैं इसके बारे में? Firstly, you have to protect your energy. Like if someone drains you every time you meet, they didn't deserve your time. And the second thing is that know your value. Your worth doesn't decrease based on someone's inability to see it. वो कहते हैं ना कि खूबसूरती देखने वाले की आँख में होती है। एंड द थिंग इज़ दैट कि खूबसूरती वाक़ई देखने वाले की आँख में होती है। एंड देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ एग्ज़ाम्पल्स इन माय माइंड लाइक आर स्टोरीज़ ऑफ ही हीर रांझा की स्टोरी, लैला मजनू की स्टोरी, ठीक है? वी ऑल हियर दैट लैला बहुत काली थी, ऐसा ही है ना? बट मजनू उस पे फ़िदा था। द थिंग इज़ दैट उसने उसकी ब्यूटी को देखा। उसको वो अच्छी लगी, कैसे अच्छी लगी? देखने वाले की आँख को अच्छी लगी। वो प्यारी नहीं थी, लैला प्यारी नहीं थी, देखने वाले की आँख प्यारी थी। सो यू हैव टू नो योर वैल्यू। जो अच्छा बंदा होगा, जो सही होगा, वो आपकी वैल्यू को खुद ही रियलाइज़ कर लेगा। आपकी वर्थ को खुद ही जान लेगा। एंड द थर्ड थिंग इज़ दैट फोकस ऑन योर परमानेंट गोल, like your life, your dreams, your happiness, that's permanent. Hold on to that. And fourth important is that release without guilt. Like letting go doesn't mean you are weak. ठीक है? It means you are wise enough to know that what deserves to stay. These are four important points you should know, you should do to protect your energy, or you should know to how to deal with people. ठीक है? And let me tell you this one last truth, that the right people, the permanent ones, will never make you question your worth. They will never demand you to shrink yourself just to they can shine, so that they can shine. So stop letting temporary people control your permanent life. Live with courage, live with intentions, live with the belief that your story is bigger than those who only came to write a single line in it. और आप समझें कि ये सिंगल लाइन कोई वर्थ रखती ही नहीं है, इसकी कोई वर्थ है ही नहीं। ये ज़िंदगी का एक छोटा-सा हिस्सा है। मतलब इस बुक का एक छोटा-सा हिस्सा है, जिसको मैंने गुज़ारना ही गुज़ारना है। So, if this message touched you, I would love you to subscribe and join this family, because we talk about real life, deep emotions, and growth every week. And if this spoke to your heart, share it with someone who might need it today. And remember this: not everyone who comes into your life is permanent, but you are permanent in your life. Don't forget. Thank you for listening, my friends. Stay strong, stay true, and I will see you in the next video, inshallah. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.